Small in size, limitless in power, lighting up millions of homes. A silent force driving the world forward. A world of energy contained within a single cell. Voniko Battery, from a humble workshop in 1954 to a state-of-the-art smart factory. From a single production line to a global footprint, time honors our mission. Quality builds your trust. The first battery pioneer from China to lead on the global stage. Dual manufacturing hubs in China and Vietnam, powering a global supply network. Number 1 in Asia and top 3 globally in the alkaline battery industry. Trusted by consumers in over 100 countries. Fully self-developed, from core machinery to proprietary production lines. 40 proprietary production lines with an annual capacity of 6 billion units. The industry's first lights-out factory, powered by seamless AI collaboration. The first 5G-powered smart warehousing system for end-to-end intelligent management. Every step is fully traceable to ensure verified quality for every cell. Partnering with Huawei Cloud to launch the industry's first AI inspection platform, millisecond defect detection for uncompromising quality. Leading the industry with the first AI-driven model for battery formulas and performance. A complete product ecosystem, powering everything from smart homes to precision tools. Full coverage from domestic use to industrial and professional sectors. Delivering stable, safe, and sustainable energy solutions through proprietary innovation. From Made in China to Smart Made in China, a national brand on the world stage. Delivering reliable power and safety to every corner of the globe. Lighting up the future, one battery at a time. Voniko Battery, the world's choice, trusted in 100 countries.